Follow this major tip to stop your iPhone from slowing down. I'm the CyberGuy, and when you browse the internet on your phone, you may not even realize that the data collected from the websites you visited could be reducing the speed of your device. Clearing your phone's cache and cookies is an important step everyone should take. Now, if you do this, you're likely going to be logged out of the websites that you have your passwords stored in or saved on, so make sure you've written them all down. First, go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap Safari. Then scroll down and tap Clear History and Website Data. Click this button to clear all of that information. Now, if you use Chrome as your main browser, open the app on your phone and tap these three dots for Settings. Then tap Clear Browsing Data and make sure Browsing History, Cookies, Site Data, and Cached Images and Files are all selected. Then you can confirm and clear all that away. For more iPhone and Android tips, head to cyberguy.com and search iPhone or Android. While you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.